Welcome back, learners. So, we will continue with our pizza story and study about the multiplication of fractions. So, let's continue with our story. Now, your friends really liked your pizza and it was a hit. You decided to have pizza party at your home and you invited 11 friends to come over. So, now there are total 12 people and you decided that each one of you will have one slice of the pizza. Now, do you remember what is the fraction of this pizza each one of you will get? Yes, 1 by 6. But now, do you know how many pizzas you will need if each friend has to get one slice of pizza? To do so, we need to multiply 1 by 6 with 12. So, let's learn how you are going to do that. Multiplication of fractions is very easy. You just have to follow this rule. The rule for multiplication of fractions is that the product of fractions is equal to the product of the numerators over the product of denominators. Product here just means that the answer we get after multiplication. For example, if you want to multiply 2 by 5 with 3 by 7, you are just going to follow this rule, which means that the product of the fraction, that means the answer is the product of numerators, that means 2 into 3 over product of denominators, which is 5 into 7. So this is 6 by 35. So this is your answer. It is so easy. You just have to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators, and that is your answer. So let's do another question. Now here we have to multiply 6 by 7 with 4. Now don't get confused when you see a whole number here. What you have to do is you just have to write 1 in the denominator. What you have to do is just have to write 1 in the denominator. When there is no number in the denominator, that means you have to write 1 here and you just have to follow the rule. Which means you have to multiply the numerators and you have to multiply the denominators and you are going to get your answer, which is 24 by 7. So that is your answer. Now let's practice another question. So in this question, we have to multiply 2 by 5 with 3 by 4. So when you multiply them, we have to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So you are going to get 6 by 20, right? So this is not your last answer. Why is this not your last answer? Because look here, 6 and 20 are both divided by the same number, that is 2. Because 2 3s are 6 and 2 10s are 20. So when both the numbers are divided by the same number, we cancel these numbers. Now how do we cancel and what we are going to write here? So 2 3s are 6. So 2 3s are 6. So we write 3 here. And 2 10s are 20. So we write 10 here. So your answer is 3 by 10. And this is known as the lowest form. This is known as the lowest form. So whenever you multiply two numbers, after finding the answer, you have to check if this is the lowest form. If it is not the lowest form, then you have to convert it into the lowest form. Now don't worry. Let us practice more questions because practice makes us perfect. Now you have to find if this number is in the lowest form or not. Now just think and write down the answer if it is in the lowest form. Yes, this fraction is in the lowest form because 7 and 9 do not cancel because both these numbers are only divided by 1. These are only divided by 1 and no other number. So it will be 7 by 9 only. Okay. So now think and write down if this number is in the lowest form. No, this number is not the lowest form because both these numbers are divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So it's going to be 1 by 3. Okay, so let's move on to our next topic, that is use of off. Now off in mathematical problems means multiplication. It means multiplication. Now what does that mean? If in any word problem there is written a by b of c, that means c into a by b. For example, if it is written 2 by 3 of 5, so it means 5 into 2 by 3, of means into, of means multiply. So we have to write 5 into 2 by 3. Now we are going to solve this as we solve multiplication. So if there is no number written in the denominator, we write 1 and then we do the multiplications, multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. So we are going to get 10 by 3. So this is the answer. So okay, so we have learned multiplication of fractions. So can you tell me, I'm going to ask you a question. So can you tell me how many pizzas do you and your friends need in your pizza party? Yes, we need to multiply 1 by 6 with 12. And now you know how to multiply this. It's going to be 1 by 12 over 1, 6 into 1 is equals to 12 by 6. And now we need to convert this into the lowest form, that is 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12. So it is 2 by 1 or 2. So yes, you need 2 pizzas so that you will have 12 slices and you are 12 people. So see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 slices. So you need 12 slices or 2 pizzas. Okay, so what you need to do now is you have to practice lots and lots of questions related to multiplication of fractions, and you can do that at your textbook, or you can also check out the EduRev app and website where we have provided tons and tons of practice questions and worksheets and revision sheets. So you can just get all this with EduRev Infinity in less than 100 rupees per month. Thank you and see you in the next video.